Yo, what's up everybody? It's Nate right here, and today we're back with the tractor. And today we're gonna be rolling some coal, a little bit of short shifting, just letting her warm up properly here before, you know, we get her a little bit. I've been running her for about, 5 minutes now. So I'm gonna go to the end of the driveway, do a couple short shifts, roll a little bit of coal, and then, yeah, see how she goes. Terrible shift right there. And remember, if you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure to leave a comment and tell me what you want me to do next with the tractor. Give me some video suggestions, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn that bell on. Alright, here we go. I'm going to start off in first and go, I'll skip a gear so she smokes quite a bit here. Let's see if I can get some good gears in her. Alright, let's see. I'm pretty bad at shifting, so